YouTube, what's goody? It's your boy Southside Nate, and I'm back with another video. And this video is sponsored by AUTOONE. They're an LED lighting company, and they also sell a lot more other things. If y'all go check out their website, cause they sent your boy over a JumpStarter with an air compressor for me to do a review on. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this baby, and we're gonna hook it up and see if she'll start this car. There will be a discount code in the link but down below, so y'all jump off in that link and check them out. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing open, hook it up to this car, see if she'll fire this baby up. Let's get it. Alright, we in the trunk with it. That's where my battery is. We're gonna go straight to the source. We're gonna see how this baby doing straight out the box. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come with a nice little case. That's sweet there. Instruction manual. Quick guide. It's the actual JumpStarter right here. That baby's sweet. Like it even got a flashlight up there. We'll go to battery terminal connector. Right there is for the air pressure. Come with a USB-C, a USB to USB-C charger cord, and some accessories. This baby's sweet. Let's see if she'll turn on. Start engine. That's where you hook the battery terminals at. Type C, USB. That's where you charge it at. And this side is where the air pump connect to. And in the front, you got a nice flashlight. Oh, this is sweet. Ooh, it looks like she needs to be charged. Oh nah, she got 3. She got 3. So what we gonna do is we gonna see what this 3 about. Now I just showed y'all that the car wouldn't start. Let's try it out. Flashlight, menu, because this is for the tire pressure. Bike, basketball. That's to go up and down. That's to change the desired tire pressure right there. Down, up. Got this baby fully charged now. Had to let it sit on the charger for a couple hours. Baby fully charged. What I'm gonna try to do right now is jump start my car with it. Alright, you take the cable connection, plug that up. All right, let's see if this baby will start. right, no action. Now let's hook the cables up and see what she do this time. Oh yeah. See, the lights even got brighter. See what she do this time. Oh, still nothing. Okay. There she go. She fired it up. Okay, AUTOONE. I'm feeling it. Like I said, man, there will be a link in the description. If y'all want to check it out, I'll test out the air compressor on another time. I gotta run to the store right quick. I might test it out when I get back from the store. All right, so this is gonna be the last test. See, I got it set on the car. Hold on. Got it set on the car. 36 pounds. All right, once you get it to the pressure that you wanted at, you hit the power button again to start pumping. See, the tire had 8 pounds in it. All right, YouTube. So yeah, she got that baby pumped up. So off a full charge, I jumped the battery and my charger that's almost completely dead, like that battery is trash. And I pumped up a tire that was almost completely flat. It had 8 pounds in it. Pumped it up to 35 pounds. Now if your car, you know, when the weather change up, wintertime, some of the tires will lose some air. This will probably pump up all 4 tires. It'll put at least 10 pounds in all 4 tires. Off a full charge, she'll probably pump all of them up with no problem. But yeah, AUTOONE for the win. Like I said, it will be a link down in my description. And they are running some holiday specials right now. But dog, I'd rather grab this baby over grabbing that heavy thing any day. Yes, sir. And this got multiple functions. Flashlight, air compressor, JumpStarter. So yeah, man, jump down and hit that link in the description. AUTOONE, check out their website. They sell LED lights. They even sell whole light assemblies. JumpStarters. It will be a link in the description with a discount code. I'll put the discount code on the top of the screen right now. But yeah, man, I take this baby over this baby any day. Yes, sir. AUTOONE for the win, baby. Let's get it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, man, I'm satisfied. I got this baby charging back up right now. I must say I'm satisfied. I'm gonna keep on the whip. Just come with a nice little case too. Yes, sir. AUTOONE. Let's get it. I'm out. Peace.